Logan, are you stuck? What happened? What did he do? He did. Oh. Be careful. Okay. Logan, are you stuck? You want to back him up a little, Gracie? Okay, and push him backwards a little? Aw, give him loving. Don't choke him, just give him a hug. What happened? You can't reach? Up! Up! Whoa. Be careful up there. Careful. Whoa. 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 You slippery? Yeah.
Clap.
Clap. Logan, clap. Yay!
Awesome.
He's awesome? Ah, he loves his sister. Are you his sister?